for calling Cafe Amante. This is Janelle. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, whom I am speaking to.
Miss Marga Smith.
May I spell out your name? Mike Alpha Romeo Golf Alpha Sugar Mike India Tango Hotel. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
It's 0906353885.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Smith, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
Only for 2.
What time do you want your reservation, ma'am?
At 6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area, ma'am?
For a non-smoking area.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 20, 2024 for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Smith, with the contact number of 0906-3538-805. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Smith, thank you for patronizing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you.